Last week, we solved TA's procurement challenge and got some raw materials in stock. We have been focused on setting up production and purchasing and didn't know how to make a formal quotation that are important for B2B sales. So today we will do that. Basically, with TS legacy system, quotes are printed and sent via email. There is no updated customer database, no connection between sales and delivery, and the forecasting is blind. Now with Odoo Sales, TA can create professional quotation fast and look at a detailed forecasting. As usual, I will go through a diagram to show what we are doing. Basically, from one side, we will have a sales order, and from the other side, the manufacturing orders that will provide us the product, the finished product that we have to sell. And from a sales order or manufacturing orders, anyway, we need to see the forecasting to know if we have enough product on stock. If we have, then we will just start the production, confirm the sales order that have been created and deliver the product. Otherwise, we have to do a replenishment that we did last week in this video about automating material procurement in Odoo MRP. And then we will just start the production, confirm sales order, and deliver the product. So we need 5,000 bottles to produce and deliver each week. Knowing that, here is how the orders and production should look like. For 5-liter TA water bottles, we will be ordering 2 units. Regarding the 5 milliliter TA water bottles, we will be ordering 133 pack of 6, resulting to 798 units. And finally, we will be ordering 350 packs, so packaging of 12, resulting to 4,200. This is our sales orders. Here we have our 3 sales order. The first one is for 500 milliliter. The second one is 1 liter bottle, and the third one is this one, 5 liter. We have activated the packaging, as you can see. So here in the configuration of the sales module, you have unit and packaging, and from there you have here pack of 6 and pack of 12. This is why here we are just putting the quantity and the packs. And when you go here, you see here we have the computed value of this. Now we see that we do not have enough product here. This 5 milliliter, the same for this and this. You can just click this icon to see the forecasted. And when I come here, I see that we are ready to produce 2 units, but we have nothing. We have nothing actually, so we have -2. We have the same for this one too, and I click here, view forecasting, you see. So we need to produce more. Then we will come to manufacturing, and from the manufacturing we have our manufacturing orders. Here for this water bottle, we have available quantities for labels and so on, but we do not have any 5-liter bottle. So I just came to not available. Here we have the forecasting again, and we see that here we have -2. So we need to somehow replenish 2. I will just do like we did last week. We need 2 units by confirm. So we have the PO here. We have the PO. We will just confirm the order and receive the product and validate. We have them. actually. So we can come back to the manufacturing 5 liter. You see everything is available. We will do the same here for the caps. Caps, we come here to not available. Note that we have all the bill of materials here. Each product has a bill of material. For 1 liter bottle water, to produce one quantity, we need these components. And as we showed, also we can have the cost and also the forecasting here. So we come back to our manufacturing order, this one, and caps, we need more, not available, we need 4,990 out of 5,000, because basically we have to produce with 5,000 as component. We already have 10 in packs. We will do the same. So 4,990, we will buy, confirm, this purchase order is created, and then we will just confirm order, receive, validate. We have them in our stock. Note that for now, we are not using any serial numbers. Let's close this and come again to our manufacturing order. This one, you see, this is available. And when we come to the 1 liter bottle, caps are available also. So we need the labels. Labels, when we replenish here, it will be also available for other products. We need again 5,990. I will just do the replenishment. I could do everything in the same purchase order, and so this is what we will do now. We will try to add everything in one purchase order so that we are not doing uh, one by one. I will just add for this one 4,990. We have to buy. It will be added in a new purchase order. I will come here, and we need also the empty bottle here. We need basically 4,190 units. We have to buy. It will be added to the same purchase order. And finally, we need here, we already ordered labels. We just need to order the 5 milliliter empty bottle. So I will do replenishment. We need, let's see how much we need. 788. So 788 by confirm. And we have our purchase order. You see, here we have only one purchase order. So if we had 20 components which with the for the same vendor, we could have everything in one purchase order. We will just confirm, receive, and validate. Now we are ready to produce. We have our manufacturing orders. We have here everything is available. We will just confirm and produce all. Obviously, this we have no working center here. Actually, it's all these things we didn't do it. We didn't also add yet the quality check. So it will be done in our series. It's a long series. Actually, we are in the 4th episode. So let's go like this. And then let's produce the 5 milliliter. You see, everything is available. We will just confirm, produce all, and that's it. Then we come to bottle water, confirm, produce all, and that's it. We have our products already manufactured, and we come here now to our sales. You see, to our quotations. You see all the products are available. So we will just confirm. We can send directly the email, because we said that in the legacy system they have to print out the codes and then send via email. Now with Odoo, when everything is done, then it can be sent info at S Market. This is the name of our customer, and then we set the email. We can send him this order by email. It will be gone. We will see how to also make emails going. So we have here the delivery. We can also create the invoice. We will just create the invoice. So let's come invoicing also we will do later. We have the delivery. The first one have been cancelled. Now everything is available. We can try to put everything in pack. We have this package. So we have one big package with all these 700 small package that will be sent. We can come here in packaging to see here. Actually nothing inside. So we will validate. Okay, we just sent it. We have also activated the automated email confirmation when the order is sent. We will do the same. Let's see again our packs, our package. Okay, okay, nothing. Okay, then we come back again to our order. This one is delivered. We come here, we can also print. So we can print the quotation, or we can just preview it. You see? So we can send this link to the customer, and the customer can just connect instead of print and send the PDF via email. We can just give him this link, and from this link he will check everything if it's fine, and he could also accept. We will do it next week. Okay, and let's just confirm this one. We have the delivery. We will not put this in pack. Maybe let's put in pack also, and we validate. Okay, we have delivered. And finally, this one, 1 liter, we will just confirm we have the delivery, and from the delivery, we will just put in pack. We have everything in a package. There are some details that can be viewed here, and we validate. So everything is sent to our customer. That's it for today. Tomorrow we will try to see, not tomorrow, but next week. We will see, let's say, the invoicing, because we have invoicing and other interesting stuff. Right now in the dashboard, we can see the some data here. Here also the sales. So we will try to check everything or set when it has to be set. So that's it, and thank you